So hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the 50 EMA and how you can use it to identify trends and reversals. So in this thing right here, this is going to be your 50 EMA. Okay, the grayish thing around it is going to be your cloud. So your cloud, your 50 EMA, will be used as support resistance, and you can use it as area where price has to go back to. So every time you will see price move like this away from the moving averages, right here you can still see the 50 right here. It will retest the zone. It will go back to it. That should mean reversion right there. For example, right here you see at the high, we touch the 50, we move away, and we come back into the zone, forming this M formation right here, and starting a move back down. Okay, if you look in the left side, you will see right here, move away from the 50 moving averages, come straight back right here again. You will see it again, again, and right here, you will, right here it's a little different. It has not retested it, and I'm glad I showed this for you guys because this can also happen when you don't have a retest. And this is why you guys don't martingale and just hope for it to hit the 50 one day. You still have to have your confirmation. You still need to have your confirmation and your confluences. The 50 MA is just a simple tool to help you with that. It's not going to be your holy grail. But yeah, you will see every AMA is going to be responsible for for retests right here. As you can see, retest, 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 retest. When price doesn't move a lot and it stays in the cloud for a really long time, like right here for example, price tend to consolidate a lot. When price is in the 50 AMA and stays there, you don't want to trade that. Okay, just don't trade it. You're gonna lose a lot of money doing it because price don't move inside of that zone. So right here, same logic. Okay, price touches it, moves away, touches it, moves away, touches it, moves away, touches it, moves away. So when you have this, you don't also want to trade it because essentially you can also draw a line right here, and this would even be a band. You can like think of it as a other Bollinger Band. Price is really not liking this area right here. You can see it because of the stop hunts and other things are happening. The highs, see, price retest back and back in the 50. Right here, back up, back in the 50. Right here, rise up, back to the 50. Rise up, back to the 50. Price will always retrace back to the 50. Okay, I think I said enough for you guys to understand that. Um, let's look for barely touch. Wait, let's look in the 1 hour and let's see if we have an area where we almost touched the 50 but then didn't. So I can explain to you guys what happened. Let's look. So right here, you see price moves away from the 13.5. Right here, even see move away from the 5. Usually that's really strong volume then. Then the 5 finally catches up. Okay, you see price initiate the stop hunt at the high, and then we retest back lower, touch the cloud, and then retraces back up. Okay, but I can't see anything close. Let's go back to the 2 hour. Let's find it there. I really want to see a retrace like this. Yeah, I guess we can use this one. Right here, the 13 AMA was just really strong, so it didn't break through. The other way you can use it as the cloud, you can use it as levels. So at the top, because price is above the 50 MA and it's bullish, they're gonna use this one as level one and this underneath it as level two. Okay, so you can see it as kind of channels. Okay, so price comes into this, moves away from it, it's fine. Price comes underneath it, breaks through it, it's still fine because he still have not broken and closed underneath this area. Price is still bullish, and that is fine. When price is bearish, like here, you will see a retest right here, 2 wicks, candle come down. See, it comes here, wick, candle comes down right here again. Yeah, there's just a little pattern, man. Price does not like the 50 as much, like right here. Then you will see a reaction of the market. You will look for higher prices and see if it get accepted right there. As you can see, price did not get accepted, and it fell back down. Okay, you're gonna look for your confirmations, and then you're gonna build them together. Okay, right here, 13.5 crossover, respective candle going down. Okay, retest back to the 50. Let's look for another good thing to talk about. We don't really have much right here because we had that price action. But most of the times, you're gonna have your patterns play out as well. Let's go to the 2 minute, 1 hour real quick. Let's see what we see right here, right? So right here, you're gonna see your structure appear, right? This is your peak formation right here. Right here is your peak formation, your M formation, whatever you want to call it. Then right here you have your type M formation as well, head and shoulders type pattern. You see we are looking for lower numbers. Hit the 200, reverses back up. And look how we are reacting on the 200 AMA. We go back to 200 AMA and then, 50 AMA, excuse me. Then we consolidated in the zone again, move away from it, and then came straight back down into this area again. You see the information right here. The information was really good, but then it did not held above the zone. There was no interest for the Mr. Market maker to build this position right there. So what happens? Mid-week reversal, price comes down again. So right here, price consolidates again. This little stop hunt right here, this was a fake stop hunt. As you can tell by the other candle right here, this pink volume candle. You see price moves up higher again, and then the same pattern repeats itself. Literally, it's crazy. And then you see price move up again. Okay, then all this is all happening inside of the 50 AMA, right? If you look on the higher time frame, you will see that all of this happened with the 50 AMA pointed downwards. Like you can see right here, it's pointing downwards. Then you got like when it's like pointing in the middle, like your AMAs can point like this, or you can just do this, just in a straight line. When it's in a straight line like this, usually there's no trend. Okay, when you have no trend, that's why you don't want to trade. Okay, I guess you can build up your positions still in here, but it's gonna be a little risky because you can go down like this, for example, or you can shoot up or whatever. I like trading when it's more ranging and not really consolidating. When I mean ranging, I mean when you have like actual highs and lows that are really clean. Like let's look. So this is what I will see as ranging this. So if you low, then you have some ranges inside of it. It's stuck in this place right here, right here. It's stuck in there, but you have some highs and lows to work on. Right here, right here. This is more consolidating. You have a high, you have a low, and then you can see price is stuck in that zone, like absolutely like stuck stuff. So right here, this is what's it called consolidation right here. Consolidation, consolidation, consolidation right here, consolidation. When you have consolidation, that's also where you wanna exit your position, because then your price can reverse on you. And like I said so many times, when you think price can reverse on you, exit the market, man. You make money, just leave the position alone. Okay. Don't try to catch a falling knife, for example. Don't try to catch what the opposite of that is, and martingale your way up, because you're gonna miss a lot of opportunities because you're not using it correctly. You're waiting for a peak formation to form before you can short it, or you're waiting for some type of confluence. This is just gonna be one of your confluences that you're gonna use to build up your entry. If you're gonna use one entry type, and you're gonna ignore your price action, your fundamentals, and all of that, you are will fail the trade most of the time in long term wise. You can win one trade, maybe two. If you get lucky, three. But long term, you will lose a lot of trades because you're not consistently applying your rules that you have to apply. You can look at candlesticks, for example. This candlestick right here would tell you that we don't have a lot of interest at the top. You see, right here, you see a pink volume candle right here, and price went down. Okay, right here, we have three significant pushes to the upside with a 150% increase in bullish stick volume. So right here, we have a lot of buys, a lot of buys, a lot of buys. So a lot of people are buying in this order right here in this zone. And this is probably, if you look at the time, this is the um the first 2 days of January. First 2 days of January, you can think of new month. Okay, we all know January is usually a bearish month, and as you can see right here, you have bullish movement down. Okay, this was also because a lot of people bought it. Like, you just have to apply simple knowledge and simple human logic into your trades, because especially if you trade crypto, it's going to be way more humane. If you understand the market, if you've seen things enough, you will understand why people put their stop losses, for example, and why they put it there. You will feel the fear and greed inside of the candles itself. It's really, it's really weird. You will just understand what the market's trying to do. The more hints you get, the more time you put in, the more time you will see this logic unfold in front of your eyes. Right now, it's hindsight, and everybody can do this. But with enough practice, you will be able to do this as well. Just practice this and look how the AMAs are unfolding, man. Look about like when the AMAs cross, what happens when it retests with a certain type of factor candle? What happens? You're always looking for what happens, why it happened, and ask those questions and backtest it. You will see a lot of things that are really logical. Okay. If you have any more questions about how you should enter your trades or how you should take your profits, or any other questions relating to trading, or you just need a real good community, just join the link in my bio and join my Discord, and I will gladly help you around. So that's the video for today. I wish you guys a happy day.